You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today's headline first. Polygon ZK roll-up Ethereum scaler mid in his testnet. Binance Kazakhstan manager bags ministerial appointment. Australia's tax office tells crypto exchanges to hand over transaction details of 1.2 million accounts. Crypto super PACs raised over $100 million war chest for US election. Ex-SEC officials John Reach Stark to testify on crypto enforcement. Philippines regulator to unveil cryptocurrency regulator framework in second half of 2024. Poloniex hacker sends $3.3 million worth of Ether to Tornado Cash. Hermetica DeFi launches first Bitcoin hack. BitGate's blockchain for youth celebrates first anniversary, educated over 6,000 participants worldwide. Orwin Solana hackathon despite disrupting Solana's network in April. Ethereum client gets releases advanced live tracer tool. Ethereum Layer 2 developer Polygon has launched an alpha version testnet of its latest zero-knowledge ZK rollup solution called Midden as Ethereum scaling competition heats up. In a May 6th exposed, Polygon said the Polygon Midden alpha testnet zero-knowledge was live for developers. To begin testing, Midden is a ZK rollup designed to extend the capabilities of the Ethereum blockchain. In a recent development in the crypto space, Zaslan Medvedev, the general manager of the Kazakhstan divisions of the Binance Crypto Exchange, has been appointed as the Minister of Digital Development in the country. This update was announced by the Binance CEO, Richard Steng, in a post on social media platform X. Australia's tax office will force cryptocurrency exchanges to provide personal and transaction details of 1.2 million traders. The regulator is attempting to crack down on people trying to avoid paying their tax liabilities. Crypto super PACs have raised $102 million ahead of US elections to push pro-industry candidates as adoption source. A new report based on the data from OpenSecrets.org shows super PACs backed by cryptocurrency firms and executives have soared above the $100 million mark. John Reed Stark, ex-head of the SEC's Office of Internet Enforcement, is due to give testimony before the United States House of Representatives Financial Services Committee concerning the regulation of securities law, particularly in the crypto market. On May 7, Stark, who has an extensive securities law background, intends to illuminate the obstacles and needs to regulating the digital asset industry. Emilio B. Aquino, chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Commissions in the Philippines, announced plans to introduce a regulatory framework for the cryptocurrency in later half of 2024. Aquino expressed optimism that tech giants Apple and Google will promptly comply with the SEC's request to remove Binance applications from their app stores. A hacker that stole $125 million from Poloniex hot wallets in November has sent 1,100 Ether to sanctioned coin mixer Tornado Cash, according to the blockchain data. The Ether, worth roughly $3.3 million, was sent to Tornado Cash in 100 ETH batches on Tuesday, having been dormant for 178 days. Digital bank Revolut's crypto exchange Revolut X is now available to professional cryptocurrency traders. London-based Revolut, which is more than 40 million customers worldwide, has developed Revolut to X to compete with leading crypto exchanges.